Well, this time we're going to trial Marvellous mulch. That's what we do at World Radio Gardening. Now, I think this pack, yeah, it's a bale, you can see. And you're going to say, what's it a bale of? Well, I think it says it on the label, actually. It says that it's made from natural ingredients, chemical-free. It's basically a mulch of straw, and it is wheat straw, chopped very finely, with the addition of seaweed. You can see what it says it does. It retains moisture, saves water, naturally blocks weeds, and enhances soil health. Tell you what we're going to do at World Radio Gardening. We're going to trial it out. So let's open up the bag or the bale and start putting it on this bed that we're going to trial it on, which has got hydrangeas, grasses, and herbaceous plants around the edges. So we'll see how it reacts with these plants and whether it holds down the weeds as well. You can see we've got irrigation in here, so the irrigation will automatically come on. That'll be within this mulch, and therefore, well, let's see what the trial does. We'll just keep an eye on it through the season and let you know how it works. Right, let's open it up, and then we'll have a look at, I can show you exactly what's in here. Good pair of scissors here. Nothing like opening it up. Let's have a look, and I'll show you what's in it first. I've never used this before, so it is a trial for me and a trial for you guys at home to see how it works. Just looks like a bag of straw, doesn't it? There, look, just like that. You can see it there. Now let's put it on start to put it down. I think I'll lay the bale down. I'll put scissors on the floor there. If I lay the bale down like this, I should be able to just shuffle it out there. And that's the sort of thickness it's got to be on, like that. There, comes out quite easily. And what they say about it is that it won't blow away. Well, that again, we're going to wait and see, because quite a windy spot here where we're trialing it, and we'll see how well it lasts, really. It goes quite a long way. It's packed very tightly in the bale, which means it's easy. You can just get it delivered to your home. That's what it's all about, isn't it? So let's put a bit more out here. And slowly it will come out. We'll put it nice and thickly around the plants. And I think I'll show you in a moment when we've done it all. Marvellous mulch. Well, we'll see whether it's marvellous. Now we've spread it on this bed. You can see we've used that bale that we were showing you earlier. Excuse me. And a bit of dust got down my throat. But other than that, it's covered this bed nicely. Great thickness. If I pull back, you can see. It'll be interesting when it's rained, because the rain will push it down a bit more. We've covered some of the herbaceous plants and the grasses, but they'll peek their way through it, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll report back to you on Marvellous mulch and see whether it's exactly what it says on the tin.